I am Sakshi Kumari of BCA AKU First Sem Batch 1. I am here to show my coding and my project on the topic HTML and CSS. Here I have used HTML and CSS to design my website, and the website is Nykaa. Firstly, I would like to thanks Ramlakhan sir to giving me this wonderful opportunity to show my work here. So firstly, I will show the index HTML where I have linked my portfolio site. Here is my all contact section, and here is my about section, and here is my project section. If I will talk about my project section, I have used here home bar, products, about, contact, cart to link my projects. Firstly, I will go to the home section. This is my home page where I have linked some products from which we can shop here, and also the more products are linked here with the help of the projects. Here are more products which are linked here, and here is my cart section. To go in the cart section, there is an animation which can be done here. From here we can go in the cart section directly, and here the product price I have used is displayed here. Here I have taken the style tag and the body using the CSS. There is a header section container in which I have taken like with margin, text, and many more things. From here we can design it, and I have linked this code with my portfolio site as I have shown previously. And here is my Nykaa. The attributes I have used in Nykaa are nav bar, div bar, we can hover, and many more things. And the product site is this one. Here I have used div class to and link the images here, and the cart Nykaa, like many more things. And another project which I have made is traffic animation. Here the code I have used to make a traffic light is, first I will show my output. Here is the output which I have used. Here the traffic light, red signal, yellow, green, it is blinking. The tag I have used is animation. Let me explain the code. Here I have taken the margin, and the part of the CSS are there, like body, container. In the body section, I have taken align items, padding, and margin, content, background color, and I have also taken container section. Okay, that's all from my side. In last, I want to show my output and the URL generated. This is the live program. So let's show you. So this is my URL program. Here is my about section and portfolio, and this works on both phone and URL are generated. And this, thank you. This is all from my side.